Okay guys, so today we're talking about lines that only have one intercept. So in other words, they only intercept the y-axis or the x-axis, or they intercept the y and x-axis at the same time. So the first type of these are, let's get this, vertical lines, okay? So a vertical line, if I draw my axes, oh that's terrible. Let's try actually drawing a straight line. Okay, so a vertical line, I'll draw my vertical line in blue. All right, it is going to have the equation x equals something, a number. It could be 2, could be 3, it could be negative 100. All right, but it doesn't involve y, because no matter what y is, x is still the exact same thing. So when I go here, x is 3. When I go down to here, x is still 3. Doesn't make any difference what y is. Our next one, as you can probably guess, is horizontal lines. Horizontal lines. So yet again, I will draw my axes. There's my two axes, and in this case we have a horizontal line that is exactly parallel with the x-axis. So in this case, our equation is that y equals something. Yet again, in this case, it doesn't matter what x is at all. Y is always the exact same number. All right, so here y is 2, there y is 2, even further down the line, y is still 2. And then the final one, I'll write it over here. We have lines that pass through the origin, okay? So remembering that the origin is the point where the x and y axis meet, okay? I'll draw multiple of these ones. So any line that passes exactly through this point, remember this point is 0, 0. So 0 on the x, 0 on the y. Any line that passes through this point only has one intercept, because it intercepts the x and y axis at the exact same point. Okay, now these lines have an equation of y equals something x. Okay, we'll talk more about what that something potentially could be later.